Alright guys, welcome to this YouTube video. In this video I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF to DWG. So we are going to be converting the PDF to DWG. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So when you open your AutoCAD application, something like this should show up on your screen. So let's go on Insert. Let's add our PDF now to DWG. So go where it says PDF import. Click on PDF. Then here you have options, so you can just go where your PDF file is. For mine, it's in desktop. So there it is. This is the PDF file that I want to import. So go there. You can go on. Click on this PDF like that. When you click there, it's going to show you the PDF file which you want to import. The other side. Then go on Open. So pay attention here, guys. So the first thing you're supposed to look at here, you have to look at the PDF data to import. So we want to import the vector geometry. So click there on the vector geometry. Click on the solid fill. Also click on the to type text. Over there, you go there where it says layers, then use PDF layers. Then option, import options. There you're going to select where it says join line and arc segments. You're going to click also on apply line weight properties. So after this is done, you're going to go on OK. So there it is showing you what it's doing the job. So after the job is done, your PDF should show up in your AutoCAD. And this is how you convert the PDF to DWG. So this is the drawing that I have imported to my AutoCAD from PDF to DWG. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.